In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can create a stream schedule on Twitch TV. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, this is a feature that Twitch TV has added, and it's really useful to let your viewers know when you are streaming and things like that. So if you want to go ahead and create a schedule, what you need to do is click on your profile picture in the top right corner. And then once you've clicked on that, what you need to go ahead and do is select settings, and then go ahead and click on channel and videos. And then once you click on channel and videos, you'll be brought to your creator dashboard here. And from here on the top bar here, there's an option for schedule. Go ahead and select that. And then once you select schedule, as you can see, time zone is localized. So say if you are streaming at 3 PM in the UK time, people who are viewing from the US will be able to see what time it is in their localized time. So that's a really good feature that they have added also. So if you want to go ahead and add a stream to your schedule, just click on the add stream tab here, and then you will get this little pop up here, and what you need to do is just give a overview of the content you'll be streaming. So I can go ahead and I can put my stream title here. So for example, I could put Weekend League Fun or whatever you want to put. And then in category, I can go ahead and I can put in the game that I'm streaming. So for example, FIFA 21. And then I can go ahead and add a time. So if I'm streaming at 2 PM in the afternoon, and I will be streaming for however long you are streaming, so I could go ahead and put 10 hours. And then for frequency, if I'm streaming Weekend League every weekend, so it could be Friday, Saturday and Sunday every week. And then once you've done that, all you need to go ahead and do, guys, is click on save. And then that will be added to your schedule, and all your followers and all your subs on Twitch TV will be able to see that. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.